Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel! Today, we are exploring the beautiful town of Bilar in Bohol, Philippines. Now, join our team introducing Miss Maricel, Miss Nicole, Miss Shane, Miss Jessa, Miss Joy, and Miss Kath as we dive into its rich heritage, meet the friendly locals, and discover the hidden gems that make Bilar a must-visit destination. What have you been waiting for? Let's get started! Bilar is an interior town of northeast of Loboc. This town used to occupy a big area and included what are now known as municipalities of Sibilia, Batuan, and Carmen. The term Bilar is a native word from the infinitive nagbilad. During the Spanish regime, the Spaniards, in their effort to spread Christianity, toured the interior villages and somehow chanced to pass a plateau where a group of women were drying palay. When the women were asked as to the name of the place, the immediate reply was nagbilad, meaning drying, thinking that the foreigners were asking their activity. The Spaniards shortened the term to Bilad and later on to Bilar due to the difficulty in pronouncing the term.
However, there is another historical region as to where the word Bilar really came from, as we interviewed one of the knowledgeable residents in Bilar.
Bilar was a forested area. Una kaning Bilar sa una was a bisita. Bisita ka na ang Tagalubok nga simbahan Maris Bilar unsa ang patron saint sa Bilar sa una sa murag kapilang nako diri ba Our Lady of del Villar, Our Lady of the Village ana siya hangtod nga pagka taon na sa Bilar anang 1830 unsa nahimo ng parokya nga ang parokya gi-change into Our Lady Saint Isidore the Farmer tungod kay kasagaran dire farmer man. Pamana istorya Bilar. Bilar is taken from the word Our Lady of the Villar, Our Lady of the Village.
Both versions may seem different, but they are just interconnected. However, it doesn't affect the uniqueness of Bilar. The different regions of its creation only tell how broad the important historical events happened in this town that caused its genuine beauty of history. Now, help me acknowledge the various famous historical destinations that have made Bilar one of the most visited towns in Bohol.
Good day, everyone. I'm Marcel Calamba.
And I am Shane Akop, and we are here at St. Isidore the Farmer Church.
And today we are going to discover the histories of this church. Let's go!
Join us!
The parish church in Bilar, Bohol, known as the San Isidro Labrador Parish Church, has a rich history reflecting the town's cultural and religious heritage. The San Isidro Labrador Parish was established in 1831. The construction of the church was a significant undertaking, reflecting the labor and dedication of the local population. The church was built in the typical Spanish colonial style, common in the Philippines, characterized by its strong, simple lines and use of local materials. Over the years, the church underwent various renovations and improvements to accommodate the growing number of parishioners and to preserve the structure. The church has played a vital role in the community, not only as a place of worship, but also as a center for community gatherings and cultural activities.
Welcome to Bohol Biodiversity Complex. So we're here to uncover the hidden mysteries and beauty behind this. Let's go!
I am Forester ng Susuman Opinion. I assigned her last April 1 until now. Bohol Biodiversity Complex was established year 2002 through Soil and Water Conservation Foundation. We call it biodiversity because it has so many native trees here and different species to provide and to make it happen in this area as a recreational and more activities here in BBC. Himog na ni siya tungod sa atong klima nga nagkausab tungod sa mga climate change na ang Soil and Water Conservation Foundation and Bohol Biodiversity Complex as a center can also be a home of all flora and fauna. Ang nagbaluyo ani mao ang gihapon ang Soil and Water and Conservation Foundation and the provincial government of Bohol. Natay lasang, no? Lasang makita na to sa palibot nga natay nagkadaiyang mga kahoy o usab natay mga gipang raise nga mga tree endemic trees. Nursery natay nursery dito. Nagkadaiya to siya nga mga klase sa pananom nato nga atong gi-provide sa nanginhanglan, pwedeng mupulit, pwedeng mangayo. Nya na po tayo vermicomposting. Nag-produce po dito og vermicast para sa pagkatambok sa atong luwan. Na po tayo kung gusto to mag-birding, so na po pwede ta mag-birding diri. Trail walk, naasad tayo tent, kung kinsa tong gusto mag-camp. Dipter Carp Production Center. So Dipter Carps itong mga lumad nga itong mga kahoy, itong mga dagko. Yan na po tayo livestock and poultry farm, pero gimanage ni siya sa OPB. Yan natay 1.2 hectares reforestation farm. Itong kambatay mga itong lasang dito. Environmental learning system learning center na diha kini nga camping site, nga training accommodation. So maka-accommodate og training kung kinsa tong gusto mo training dari. So pwede pud mi makatudlo unsaon pag kuan sa soil media para sa in preparation sa tong nursery. Sa mga gustong makat-on sa unsa nga klase sa kahoy, mao na gikahatag sa province diri na ato mga lumad nga kahoy diri.
Hello! So, guess where we are?
Bilar Man-Made Forest is a magnificent man-made marvel situated on the island of Bohol, Philippines. This popular tourist destination showcases the essence of environmental conservation, attracting nature lovers and photography enthusiasts alike. The alluring beauty of the forest, the towering mahogany trees stretching upwards of 20 meters, creates a dense, green canopy that shades and cools the 2-kilometer stretch of the road beneath it. A must-visit destination in the Philippines, Bilar Man-Made Forest is a testament to human intervention's power in nurturing and preserving our environment.